Hello, fellow investors. I'm Dave Putz, and I'm excited to share with you our JKP due diligence portal, specifically on how to use it to find a local REO agent to any property. I'm sure you've heard us say before, one of our keys to success is finding a local REO agent to help us with evaluations and determine property value. Our directory has over 9,500 agents nationwide, so you can use it to obtain an agent's name, phone number, or email address. Now, with this information, you can do a bulk email or call agents individually. The agent can help with trash outs, rekey, rehab, rentals, and even assist with obtaining a property evaluation. If you're looking for value on a property, this process helps you connect with an agent who's experienced rather than depending on a company or some small agent to get a list of addresses and then runs out to take a few photos and then runs an inaccurate comp analysis tool just to make a quick dollar. You can search our system either by individual address or uploading bulk. Let us show you how to use it. On the screen here, we're on the dashboard. We can find the REO agents through either the due diligence tools dropdown or clicking the due diligence button here. The next screen here will show us the data tools available: the average rental, local agent, and property lookup. Down here, we'll be clicking these buttons. The results button will take us to the results screen, which is previously ran addresses. We'll show you this shortly. Now, the bulk button, which we'll be focused on today, will allow you to upload multiple addresses at one time. The start button will allow you to run one address at a time. We're going to click bulk, which will take us to the start bulk screen. On this screen here, we're going to choose either agents, property lookup, or average rental. We're then going to choose how we're going to do our upload. Are we doing a CSV file or copy paste? If we choose CSV, we then can go ahead and drag and drop or click here and open your computer. If we choose copy paste, we're brought to a screen with a file name optional. You can put any file name in here, and we recommend you do, so you can reference it later in the results screen. The results screen will have the CSV file name that you uploaded. So once you're done with naming the file, the copy paste section box is here. You're going to want to copy from the headers row all the way down all the data to the bottom. Don't worry about how many columns the data is. Our system will export the spreadsheet with your original data and add our data to the end. This ensures the details of the original spreadsheet stays intact. Once we're done, we're going to hit upload, and then it will bring us to a mapping screen. The mapping screen, which you'll see in the other video, will allow us to choose property address, city, state, and zip just to verify. Once we're done with this, we're brought to the results screen. Now, if you made a mistake during any time during the process, we can use the buttons up top. These buttons here will allow you to start a brand new single address by hitting start new, or if you need to restart a bulk, you can hit this button here. Now, the view button here will bring you to the individual process and show you the individual addresses with the results. The download button here will allow you to download an Excel spreadsheet so you can use however you wish. The rerun button here, if you added the add-on here, you're allowed to rerun the entire process once again. And again, the delete button will delete that row of data. Once you have the Excel spreadsheet, you can go ahead and use it however you wish. As you'll see, the addresses will be aligned and the agents associated will be next to it. I hope you use this as best you can to help you with your due diligence process on evaluating and getting accurate values on a property you're looking at. Enjoy, and thank you for using the JKP Due Diligence Portal.